Yo, what's up everyone? It's Business Success back with another one. And today we're diving deep into the future of productivity. Want to unlock ChatGPT's real power? Because trust me, most people are barely scratching the surface of what this thing can do. We're talking next level stuff. The kind of ChatGPT hacks that feel like straight up cheating. In a good way, of course. Seriously, these strategies have saved me time, saved me money, and honestly, made my work life way easier. From crazy fast meeting summaries to basically having AI write emails in my voice, we're covering it all. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you a secret prompt I use to make ChatGPT act like a full-time assistant. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with a productivity killer we all know too well: meetings. Ever get stuck in those hour-long marathons where you're just drowning in information? Next time, try this. Paste your entire Zoom or Teams transcript directly into ChatGPT. Don't worry, it can handle it. Then tell it to summarize everything. But here's the key. Summarize by action points. Boom. You go from a wall of text to a clear list of who's doing what, by when. No more sifting through pages of notes, no more trying to remember who said what. ChatGPT just hands you the goods ready to go. Honestly, this one feature alone is a game changer. Next up, we're talking about email. Because who loves spending hours on perfectly worded replies? Imagine this. AI that doesn't just write an email but writes your email. Here's how: feed ChatGPT a few of your past emails, the ones that you feel really nail your tone, and say, analyze my tone and write future emails in the same style. I'm talking about matching your level of formality, your humor, even your emoji game. It's surprisingly accurate. It's like having a digital ghostwriter who knows exactly how you like to communicate. The best part? The more you use it, the more it learns your style, making each email even more you. Now, this is where things get really interesting. With ChatGPT, you can literally tell it to become anyone: a marketing guru, a seasoned copywriter, a straight-up business coach, you name it. Let's say you need help with a product launch. Try this prompt. Act as a senior marketing strategist at Apple. Help me build a product launch plan for an AI-powered app. You'll be blown away by the level of detail and insight you get. It's like having on-demand access to the world's best minds, ready to tackle your specific challenges. And this works for any industry, any role. Get creative with it. Instant content repurposing. Let's be real, content creation can feel like a grind. But what if you could take one piece of content and instantly transform it for different platforms? That's what we're talking about here. Say you've got a killer blog post. Drop it into ChatGPT and say, turn this into 5 engaging social media posts. Or make this into a short, attention-grabbing video script. You can even have it create a newsletter summary, all with that same original content. One prompt literally turns into weeks' worth of content across all your channels. It's content marketing on hyperdrive. Custom workflows with memory. Okay, this next hack is all about taking ChatGPT from a cool tool to an indispensable part of your workflow. In ChatGPT Pro, you can create what are called custom GPTs. These are basically AI assistants with memory and specific instructions that you set. Want a GPT that always responds as your virtual assistant, scheduling meetings and managing your inbox? Done. How about a GPT that's your dedicated marketer, analyzing data and brainstorming campaigns? Easy. The possibilities are limitless and you're in control. Spreadsheet magic. We've all been there. Staring at a spreadsheet that looks like it was hit by a hurricane. Good news, ChatGPT feels your pain. Feed it your messy data and tell it what you need. Want it cleaned up and formatted? No problem. Need formulas to analyze that data? Consider it done. You can even ask it to build an entire dashboard with charts and graphs. It's like having a data analyst on speed dial, and it has saved me countless hours on reporting and analysis. Trust me, this one is a lifesaver. Role-play scenarios. This last hack is one of my favorites, especially if you're in sales, customer service, or just want to level up your communication skills. ChatGPT can become your ultimate sparring partner. Let's say you have a big presentation coming up. Tell ChatGPT, you are a client who's skeptical of new technology. Convince me to invest in my product. Or maybe you're prepping for a tough negotiation. Have ChatGPT play the role of the other party and give you the hardest time possible. It's like having a hyper-realistic simulation to practice your skills and build your confidence. Unlock ChatGPT's true potential. So, there you have it, 7 ChatGPT hacks that will transform the way you work. And honestly, if you're not using these, you're only using like 5% of what ChatGPT can actually do. It's about working smarter, not harder, and these hacks are your secret weapons. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And while you're there, smash that like button and hit subscribe, because in my next video, we're diving even deeper into the world of AI automation. I'm talking about full workflows that will take your business to the next level. This is Business Success Solutions, the sister channel to AI Guru 360, where we're all about making smart tools deliver real results. See you in the next one.